Welcome to 6.1's Math Moment. Today in 6th grade, students learned about volume, and they also did a review of surface area, which they learned earlier this year. So as a review, volume is the cubic units inside of an object, and then surface area is the total area of all the flat surfaces around the outside. So to find the formula for the volume, we take length times width times height. And the surface area, which we call the 2 trick in 6th grade, has been written up here, which is the 2 times the length times width, plus the 2 times the height times the length, and then 2 times the height times the width. I'm going to use these two formulas to solve this question right over here. Alright, so I'm going to start with volume. As I said, this is a review from 5th grade. So what students are going to do is we're going to take our 6. So we're going to take our 6 times our 4 times our 5. So 6 times 4 times 5. Now, students can look for facts that they know to kind of mix these around. So in my brain, the easiest thing to do would be the 4 times the 5, which is 20, times the 6. So 6 times 2 is 12, add a 0, which is 120. Now, if your student likes to just work from left to right, they can take the 6 times the 4, then times the 5, and they should get the same answer. Now, with volume, we need to make sure that we have our label correct, which is centimeters cubed. All right. Now, going back to review surface area from earlier this year, we're going to use our 2 trick to solve this question. So for our surface area problem, we're going to take our 2 times our 6 times our 4 plus our 2 times our 6 times our 5 plus our 2 times our 5 times our 4. Okay, now I just need to go through and solve this. So we tell the students to go ahead and caret answers down. 6 times 4 is 24, and then times 2. 6 times 5 is 30, times 2. And then I have my 5 times 4, which is my 20, and then times 2. Okay, then I just need to go ahead and continue to solve these. So I have 2 times 20, which I know is a fast fact of 40. I have 2 times 30, which is 60. And then I have 24 times 2, which I know is 48. If your student doesn't know that, they can go ahead and write it down. And then to find surface area, you need to add all these numbers together. I know that 60 plus 40 is 100, plus 48 is 148. And then I need to label it centimeters squared. Now, a lot of students get a little bit confused when we do this because they think it needs to be cubed, but we're doing surface area, and area is always squared. If you have any questions about 6.1, make sure you see your math teacher.